Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use this website. I'm going to show you one that I have done, and it's a book trailer. So I hope you enjoy. Turn it up for you. In the beginning, the Grinch hated Christmas. He had a small heart. And there's a picture of a small heart. He tried to make things better with the people of the town. So there's a picture of the town. Cindy Lou Who tried helping the Grinch love Christmas again. But instead, everyone made fun of him. He got mad, ran home, and plotted his revenge. So the Grinch made a Santa suit, a sleigh, and made his dog look like a reindeer. He went back to the Whoville and stole every sign of Christmas. It's not very nice. When the Whos woke up, they gathered, started singing because they were still grateful. The Grinch's heart grew 3 sizes. He decided to bring back the gifts and all. Then everybody was happy in the end. There they are having Christmas dinner together. And that book was by Dr. Seuss, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. So, now I am going to show you guys how to create your own book trailer. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose any kind of book you want. So the book that I had chosen was How the Grinch Stole Christmas. And on here you can choose any kind of background. They've got a wonderland of snow. I chose holiday. So if you click on holiday, it comes up with the fall or winter. There's spring that looks like Valentine's Day. So they got all these holidays. So whatever holiday you wanted to do, you can do. So let's do this one. I like that one. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and then you would click Create Video. Let it load here. Okay. Then what you're going to do, you can change the song to whatever song you want. There's Popular for Education, My Favorites. You can upload a song. I did not do that. I just chose one of these. Okay, and then you'll click on that, and you can either add a picture or text. So I chose a picture first because I chose to do the front cover of the book. So I had that downloaded already. Well, not downloaded, but on my pictures. So you just do that, and see, there it is. You can add a logo. That was what popped up the first time. You can change styles, add pictures. So if you don't want to click the plus, you can click that too. And then once you get far enough as you want to go, then you can click the preview video, and it'll show you. And then when you're done, it will ask you to upload it, or you'll hit produce. And that is how you make a book trailer on this website. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope that this helps you. So thank you.